What do 5,000 miles of driving, blockchain, and a park bench have in common? CityDAO, but there's no time to explain right now, nerds. Get in the car, we're going on a road trip! Oh my gosh, look how tiny I am. Let me explain some things before we get going. First off, this trip was one of the weirdest, mostly unplanned adventures of my life. Actually more of a quest than an adventure. Tasked with delivering a corrupted park bench to the farmland of Wyoming. And all of this was because of an organization called CityDAO. More on that later, because now we're beginning our trip in Texas. I'm actually a very responsible driver. Bye, Austin. Look at all the stuff in the back. Okay, so what is CityDAO? Well, DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. The big words in the name really don't matter that much. It's pretty much just a new way to organize people around a common goal. CityDAO's goal is to build a city. Some places like the state of Wyoming now recognize DAOs as legal entities. CityDAO incorporated there and just so happened to also buy a piece of property in Wyoming. It's just like a bare patch of land though, there's nothing on it. Still though, if you're gonna try to build a city, you need somewhere to build it, right? I thought the idea was neat, and I thought it'd also be cool to go visit the parcel that they purchased. So this quest, like any quest, I've got little tiny side quests along the way. And we have reached a point in our journey where we take one of the side quests. Quest number 1, we need fuel for the road trip, so we should go to Mexico and get some tacos. And it was pretty neat. I'd like just park the car and you walk over this bridge. Everyone there was super friendly. Yummy, tacos and green drink. Tacos, check. Green drink, check. Time to get back in the car and start heading to Wyoming. I messaged one of the founders of CityDAO and told him I was going up there. I asked if there was anything I could do while I was at the parcel, and he replied, "We've always wanted to like install a park bench or something. Do you want to do that?" Absolutely. But if you haven't noticed, I'm like hundreds of miles into this road trip and I actually don't have the park bench yet. It's totally my fault. I thought you could just like go to like the park bench store and go pick one up. That's not the case. I ended up having to order it from like this industrial supply company, so I can't ship it to Texas where I started. They told me it was gonna take 2 weeks, but I can ship it to my friend's place. Hopefully we don't get distracted again. Oh wait, oh my god, another side quest. We're gonna go meet some aliens. I mean, Roswell's on the way. How could you not go to Roswell also? UFO Museum. Guys, aliens are real. It's all cover up. The government's out to get me now. So that was very clearly a joke. There is no cover-up, no evidence that aliens exist. Am I free to go now? I'm sorry, I had to. Oh, so dumb. So the way that DAOs organize themselves is completely dependent on the DAO itself. They make up the rules about like how to govern themselves. All the decision making is recorded on a blockchain. In CityDAO's case, they're on the Ethereum network, and they allow anyone who's a member, a citizen of CityDAO, to vote. So if some sort of proposition is brought up by the organization, for example, to buy a piece of property, every citizen has the right to vote on it. And then those votes are recorded on the Ethereum network. Anyway, let's keep driving. Let's keep driving. I promise I won't get distracted by it anymore. It's another side quest! Guys, you have to. You have to. How could you not climb a big friggin' mountain when you see one? So bumpy. We're sleeping in the car tonight. I just checked the progress on the park bench and we have an update. It has been shipped, so that's good to know. So I'm going to sleep. Started off this trip, I looked up, saw the mountain, I was like, whoa, Stoke Bar, super full. There's like a river in the way. Chonky chipmunk. I think we have to go up there, but I'm not really sure. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's stuck in there. Oh, dude, what a noise. It's all better now. It's not that peak. It's actually that one over there in the clouds. Also, this guy literally just ran past me. Look how pretty this is though. Like, holy cow. Way up there. So our friend just came back down. He says he wasn't crazy about the weather up there. There he goes. Go, buddy. Okay, we are abandoning this side quest. Big thunder. Heading back down. And I just realized how hungry I am. Really craving pizza. Next time, Blanca Peak. how does this organization get money to do things? They issue these things called tokens. The money from the sale of that token is what is used by CityDAO to buy things like pieces of land or park benches. Anyway, back to the trip. We still got a couple hundred more miles to go. You know what I need? I need a team. Team that's gonna keep me on track. You guys remember JP? Now we got two new friends, Jace and Matt. Jace is busy for a few days, but Matt and JP, I'm gonna go to the airport to pick them up. They're landing pretty soon now, but I got an update on the shipment for the park bench, and it still has 2 more business days to go. There's the homies.
Goodness gracious. We gotta go to In-N-Out.
Oh, so no pizza?
No pizza.
So now, feeling more confident, right? We are not gonna get distracted by side quest time! No, he's not coming after me. He let us off with a warning.
Not you all.
He let, yeah.
We didn't do shit.
We actually just got into Yellowstone, which is kind of a bummer because we drove by parcel 0. So the bench is not getting installed today like it should have. I'm gonna have to drive all the way back up here from Fort Collins in a few days. Alright, Yellowstone was a ton of fun, right? But the park bench is still not here. But it's cool, because we're gonna hang out in Fort Collins with Chase for a day or 2. And hopefully it'll show up any day now. Guys want some pizza?
Oh yeah. You guys like CC? Show you some cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburgers.
Just go straight over lunch.
Oh, I was picking my nose, man.
All right, brother.
Yeah, see you guys. We just got word. The park bench is here. Okay, remember when I said I was gonna ship it to my friend's place? I totally lied. His apartment couldn't take the package because they needed a loading dock to unload it. So I shipped it to his work instead. So we rolled to Chase's work and one of his coworkers wheels it out. This is so amazing. And oh my gosh, the park bench is like way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. At this point, I'm a little bit worried that it's not gonna fit in the car. It's in here, CityDAO green. Now we're on our own to deliver the park bench to parcel 0. I'm starting to wonder if I'm in the right place. Hang on, buddy. This is so cool. I think we found the perfect spot for the bench, too. Yes, it's done. Well, time to go home. Wait. That's not the end of the video. There's one more thing we gotta do.